chemicals yet.
Let's get down.
Put the cork in like that. Alright, now.
Wow. When will it explode?
That's going to stand there in a minute. Alright, then it's going to launch from there. Alright, ready? Well, shall we mix the chemicals?
Yes!
Come on then, let's mix the chemicals!
Oh, we're going to get sprayed with vinegar.
Don't get too near.
Come on,
Doesn't look like anything's happening.
It's fizzing.
Hey! Tim, what do you reckon? Are you pleased?
Oh, I'm very pleased. That's a fantastic launch. Let's go and put twice as much chemical in next time.
We don't want to do it again.
Yeah.
What do you think, Eli?
Good, wasn't it?
It's great!
He said, what did you